POPCAAN. Do you know that name?
POPCAAN?
POPCAAN.
No.
Okay, the next one, VYBZ KARTEL.
No.
No. ALKALINE.
No.
All right. Thank you, Crystal. Nice to meet
You're
you.
welcome.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What go on, Unstoppable family? So no don't know say Unstoppable, and right now we're there in the beautiful Puerto Rico, San Juan to be exact. And what we want to do right now, we are trying to figure out how popular Jamaican music or Jamaican entertainers are in Puerto Rico. So what we are going to do now, we are going to head in and we are going to ask a few Puerto Ricans some Jamaican artist name and see what them know. Let's do this.
My name?
Yes.
My name is Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you, man. All right, have you been to Jamaica?
Never.
Do you know Jamaican music?
Yes, of course.
Reggae or dance or reggae? All right. So I'm gonna first throw you a few names, right? I'm gonna throw you the most popular names out of Jamaica in music, right? The first one, I'm sure you know it, Bob Marley.
Of course, the
Bob
best.
Marley. And I'm gonna throw you his son, Ziggy Marley.
Ziggy Marley.
You know Ziggy?
I know, I heard.
You've heard of Ziggy. All right. This one is not a Marley, but this one is TAURUS Riley. You ever heard of TAURUS Riley?
Never.
Never. All right, we're gonna go on to dancehall music. Okay, you like dancehall music?
Yes, I do.
You like dancehall? Okay, these are the most common dancehall entertainers in Jamaica, the popular.
Wow.
ALKALINE.
Never heard.
Never. VYBZ KARTEL.
Nope.
POPCAAN.
Popcorn?
Yes.
I thought it was a movie.
You thought it was food.
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Carlos.
Carlos, nice to meet you, man. I'm from Jamaica and I'm trying to figure out how popular Jamaican music or Jamaican entertainers are in Puerto Rico. All right, do you know any Jamaican entertainers?
Yes.
You like reggae?
Yes.
Dancehall?
Yes.
All right, do you know the name ALKALINE?
No.
Do you know VYBZ KARTEL?
No.
MASICKA?
No.
AIDONIA?
No.
Look. Come on, let's go.
Jessica?
Jessica, nice to meet you. The first name, POPCAAN.
No.
ALKALINE. VYBZ KARTEL.
Maybe?
Maybe. MASICKA.
Massacre.
Yes.
No.
AIDONIA.
I don't know either.
You don't?
Bob Marley.
You know Bob Marley?
Just Bob Marley.
All right. How about you? You know Bob Marley?
Yeah.
All right. You know any other Jamaican entertainers?
Ziggy,
Those are the most popular dancehall entertainers in Jamaica, right? Now I'm gonna throw a few reggae entertainers at you. You ready for it?
All right.
All right. This one, you gotta know this name though. His name is Bob Marley.
No.
No.
I'm just kidding.
All right. His son, Ziggy Marley. All right. How about TAURUS Riley?
No.
No? All right. Chronics.
No.
All right, Carlos. Thanks a lot, man. Great. So, hi. What's your name?
Crystal?
Crystal. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Do
meet
you know Jamaican music, Crystal?
A little bit.
A little bit. What's your favorite Jamaican song?
Wow, I don't know a song, but I have heard a few of them.
You've heard a few. Okay. I'm going to throw a few names out there at you, and I'm going to see if you know them. If you know them, yes. If you know them, no. Okay. The first name, and these are the most popular names I'm going to throw at you, okay, right now in 2019. Okay. The first dancehall entertainer is POPCAAN. Do you know that name?
POPCAAN?
POPCAAN.
No.
Okay. The next one, VYBZ KARTEL.
No.
No. ALKALINE.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna throw you a few reggae names. Okay, Bob Marley,
Yes.
TAURUS Riley,
Yes.
Sizzla Kalonji.
No.
Okay, has there ever been a dancehall or reggae entertainment concert in Puerto Rico?
Yeah, I think so. I think Damian Marley came.
Damian, oh, so you know Damian Marley?
Yeah.
Okay, so you basically know all the Marleys. You know Stephen Marley,
Yes.
Ziggy Marley.
Yes.
You know all the Marleys?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Crystal. Nice to
You're
meet you.
welcome.
Take care.
Have a great
All right, I'm gonna throw you some reggae names. These are the popular common artists. All right, the first name I'm gonna throw at you is Bob Marley.
He's the best.
He's the best. Great. All right, the next name I'm gonna throw at you is his son, Ziggy Marley.
Ziggy Marley,
Ziggy.
yeah.
See, I didn't even have to call it. All right, the next name now. This one is not a Marley, but TAURUS Riley.
TAURUS Riley, I never heard of him.
You've never heard of TAURUS Riley? Okay. The first name, and these are the most popular entertainers from Jamaica. Okay. The first name, ALKALINE.
No.
VYBZ KARTEL.
No.
POPCAAN. AIDONIA. MASICKA. RYGIN King.
No.
Do you know any VYBZ KARTEL songs? Okay, AIDONIA.
No.
MASICKA.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you some reggae names. Do you know them? Yes, if you don't know. Bob Marley.
That one I know.
Okay, Ziggy Marley.
I think I've heard of it, but
Damian Marley.
yes.
Okay, this one is not a Marley, but it's a reggae artist. Taurus Riley. Chronics. Thank you, Jessica. That's all it took. All right. Now we're going on to the dancehall entertainers. You know dancehall music?
A little bit.
A little bit. All right. These are the popular Jamaican entertainers who are in dancehall, okay? Alkaline.
Alkaline, that's a good one.
You've heard Alkaline
Yeah.
before? What? You know Alkaline song?
No, I don't know.
But
too
you've
much
heard the
English,
name.
Yeah.
Okay. So how about Vybz Kartel?
Vybz.
Vybz Kartel. No. Okay. And another one that I'm gonna throw at you. This one is Aidonia.
Aidonia?
Yes. You've heard of Aidonia
Yeah.
before. Okay. Those are the most popular names in dancehall. How about reggae music? I'm gonna throw a few names. You're gonna answer. Okay. Bob Marley.
Bob Marley, obviously.
You've heard Bob
Yeah,
Marley. Okay. His son is Ziggy Marley.
Yeah, obviously.
Damian Marley.
Damian Marley?
Okay. This one is not a Marley, but he is popular as well. Taurus Riley.
No.
Chronics.
No.
Sizzla Kalonji.
Yeah, I have heard of it.
You've heard about Sizzla. Firstly, what's your name, man?
Israel.
Alright, nice to meet you. So I'm from Jamaica and we're trying to figure out how popular Jamaican music or Jamaican entertainers are in Puerto Rico. Alright, so I'm just gonna ask you a few names. If you know them, say yes. If you don't, say no. Okay, so the first popular name that I'm gonna ask you, POPCAAN.
No.
No. Vybz Kartel.
No.
Aidonia.
No.
And the last dancehall, Alkaline.
No.
Alright, how about some reggae artists now? How about Bob Marley? You know Bob Marley? Alright, his son, Ziggy Marley. Chronics? No. Taurus Riley? No. Alright, I'm gonna ask you a few reggae names, right? Bob Marley.
Yes.
Okay, this is his son, Ziggy Marley.
Yes.
You know Ziggy?
Yes.
Alright, how about Taurus Riley?
No.
And the last one, Chronics?
No.
No. Well, do you know reggae music?
Yeah, I know.
Do you like reggae music?
Yeah.
You know dancehall as well? Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw you a few names, the most popular dancehall artists and the most popular reggae artists from Jamaica. Alright, if you know them, yes. If you don't, no. Alright, so the first name I'm gonna throw at you is POPCAAN.
No.
Vybz Kartel.
Yes.
You know Vybz Kartel?
Yes.
You know any Vybz Kartel songs?
No, but I hear.
You heard the name?
Yes.
Okay, Alkaline.
No.
MAVADO.
No.
POPCAAN.
Podcast?
POPCAAN. No. Alright, how about Vybz Kartel? No. Alkaline. Aidonia. MASICKA. Busy Signal.
No.
MASICKA.
No.
Aidonia.
No.
RYGIN King.
No.
Okay, those are the most popular dancehall entertainers from Jamaica. Alright, I'm gonna throw you a few reggae entertainers and let's see if you know the names. And these are the most popular names in reggae. Bob Marley. You know Bob Marley?
That's obvious.
Okay, his son, Ziggy Marley.
Yep.
Damian Marley.
Yep.
Alright, and this one is not a Marley, but he is a reggae artist, very popular reggae artist as well. Taurus Riley. Chronics.
I heard the name.
You've heard the name, but you don't know the songs. The most, I'm quite sure you probably know this one. Bob Marley.
Yeah, the famous one.
The famous one. All right. Let's say Ziggy Marley.
Ricky Martin.
Ziggy Marley.
No.
Damian Marley.
No.
All right. Now this one right here is a popular one as well. Taurus Riley.
No.
Chronics.
No.
No. Oh. All right. Do you know reggae music? All right. You like reggae music?
Yep.
All right. So I'm gonna ask you a few names, and you're gonna say yes if you know them or no if you don't. Okay, so the first name I'm gonna throw to you are the most popular names in dancehall. Vybz Kartel.
No.
Alkaline.
No.
POPCAAN. No?
No.
Aidonia.
Wait.
Aidonia. MASICKA. So this is the end of the video, and honestly for yourself, that much Puerto Ricans not really know dancehall music as much as we did think. But what we get to realize is that everywhere in the world where you go, Bob Marley is known. And a couple people know him son, them Ziggy Marley, Damian Marley, and so forth. But up to the whole Gaza fraternity still. Poppy, yeah, unroll it, big up on yourself. But as far as we see, Puerto Rico, no dancehall music as much as we think. So watch out, man, comment in the comment section, make me know what you think about this video. You see it? Share your thoughts, your views and your opinion. It's Unstoppable TV, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.